In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a team wiki in Coda. Start by opening your browser and heading to coda.io sign up. Log into your Coda account, then open the Coda doc where you want your wiki to live. On the left sidebar, click the plus new page button. Coda will create a blank page. Rename this new page to Team Wiki so it's clear this is the hub for your team's knowledge. Click inside the Team Wiki page to activate the editor. Type a / to open Coda's command menu, then choose Subpage List. This creates a clean list where you'll organize your wiki sections. Click plus Add Subpage to create your first section and rename it to Processes. Repeat that Add Subpage action to create the rest of your sections. Policies, Tools, Onboarding, and FAQs. These subpages will show up in your list and in the left sidebar, making navigation easy. Now let's structure the content inside each subpage. Click into one of them, for example, Processes. Inside the page, type a / again and select Table. A table is perfect for organizing repeatable information. Rename the table's columns to Topic, Description, Owner, and Last Updated. Topic is where you put the name of the process. Description can include a brief overview or steps at a glance. Owner identifies who maintains or is responsible for that content. Last Updated helps everyone see freshness at a glance. Clear column names keep your wiki consistent, so use the same setup in your other subpages like Policies, Tools, Onboarding, and FAQs. As your wiki grows, cross-linking pages helps people move around quickly. Wherever you're writing in Coda, type the @ symbol and start typing the name of a page. When the page appears, select it to create an inline link. Use this to connect related content, like linking an onboarding checklist to a relevant policy or a tool overview to its process guide. Finally, give your pages visual anchors with icons. In the left sidebar, click a page you want to style. Open the icon picker, select all icons, and choose an icon that matches the page's purpose. Icons make the sidebar scannable and help teammates find what they need faster. That's it. You've created a Team Wiki page, added a subpage list with core sections, structured each section with a table, linked content using the @mention, and assigned icons for clarity. Keep the same structure across pages, and your wiki will stay tidy, current, and easy for everyone to use.